Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're heading back to the roots of adventure, motorcycling with the new 2026 Yamaha XT600. A legendary name among dual sport fans, the XT600 has long been known for its simplicity, durability, and go-anywhere attitude. For 2026, Yamaha brings this icon into the modern era while preserving the rugged spirit that made it famous. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the XT600 is ready for a comeback. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 carries forward its classic dual sport silhouette with modern refinements. The tall stance, slim fuel tank, and high front fender emphasize its off-road focus, while updated body panels and fresh graphics give it a contemporary look. LED lighting and cleaner lines enhance visibility and style, making the XT600 look just as confident on city streets as it does on dusty trails. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 XT600 is a robust, single-cylinder engine tuned for strong low-end torque and reliability. Designed to handle long rides and tough terrain, the engine delivers smooth power through a responsive gearbox. The suspension setup has been refined for better balance between comfort and control, allowing the XT600 to perform equally well on highways, gravel roads, and off-road tracks. Safety and technology. Yamaha equips the 2026 XT600 with essential modern safety features while keeping things rider-focused. Improved braking performance, optional ABS, and a clear digital instrument cluster provide confidence without overcomplicating the ride. The technology supports the rider rather than distracting from the adventure. Conclusion. The new 2026 Yamaha XT600 blends classic, dual sport character with modern updates, making it an appealing choice for riders who value simplicity, durability, and versatility. Whether you're commuting daily or exploring remote trails, the XT600 is built to handle it all. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.